I'm
Go
Dwight
ahead.
Thomas from Scottsdale, Arizona. We're looking at my 1940 LaSalle Coupe. It was built in Detroit as a companion car to Cadillac between 1927 and 1940. The car was designed by Harley Earl, who was a famous designer for General Motors. It's a flathead V8 engine, 322 cubic inches, and 120 horsepower. There were 3,000 of this coupe built in 1940. So how many are left, I don't know. But this car has 45,000 original miles on the engine and transmission.
Wow.
Everything in the interior is either original or restored to as original with original type of fabrics. The car retail price for $1,320 in 1940, but again, the average annual income for an American in that year was also $1,300. So it was a few $100s cheaper than the Cadillacs, but it was built in the Cadillac factory in Detroit, Michigan.
Very
And
cool.
if you pull up the video on your screen of Archie Bunker and All in the Family, and they're seated at the piano and they're singing their theme song, and they sing, "Gee, the old LaSalle ran great. Those were the days."
That's about the car, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Very cool. Well, thank you.
You bet. Nice to share the information with you.